Stop taking screenshots the old way. Here are 4 secret tricks you didn't know existed. First, look at this. A normal screenshot always includes your battery and navigation bar, which looks messy. But wait, there's a better way. Swipe down to open your quick settings. Find the screenshot icon, but don't just tap it. Hold it for a second to unlock the hidden menu. Now, just toggle on Hide Status and Navigation bars. From now on, your phone will automatically remove all the clutter, giving you a clean, full-screen capture every single time. Look at that. No clock, no battery, and no navigation buttons. Just a clean, professional screenshot ready to be shared. Trick number 2. Most people only capture what they see on the screen. See? This normal screenshot cuts off the rest of the page. But you can actually capture the whole thing. It's easy. After you take a screenshot, quickly tap this scroll button at the bottom. Every tap adds more content. Allowing you to capture the entire page in one single image. And there it is. One long, high-quality image of the entire website. No more sending 10 different pictures. Just one clean scroll. Trick number 3. Stop wasting time cropping images manually. Just take a screenshot, tap this icon and hold. Look, the AI automatically detects the photo. Now just tap Save. Trick number 4. Stop losing your screenshots in a messy gallery. After you take a snap, tap this hashtag icon. You can choose from the suggested tags. Or even create your own custom one. I'm choosing a custom tag now. I hit save and you're done. No more scrolling for hours to find that one screenshot. Trick number 5. When you open a screenshot, just tap Go to Source at the bottom. It will instantly take you back to the exact website. No more searching for links.